How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Excuse me, how you doing?
Hello, I'm Nigel Thornberry.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Justin.
I'm Rochelle.
I'm Ray.
And today we were location looking, scouting, and we found a really cool one. But anyways, it was kind of an adventure because there was lots of screaming and running,
Big ants,
and swinging of bags.
Narnia.
We went into Narnia and we came back. It does exist, people. It exists. So
It's immaculate.
But we're not going to tell you where.
It's a secret. You have to find yourself.
And you can go on my photography page to see where it is.
And then try to look for it.
But you have to like my page. Okay.
Like.
As in like as in our page. But we are in your photography page.
Oh. Okay. Anyways, so we'll show you some of the footage that Ray captured on his cellular telephone. So here we go. It never does it when I do it.
Go.
Hello, I'm Nigel. And today we are looking at ants.
Look how big.
They are big.
Damn huge. And they're everywhere!
Just keep walking, Mia. Keep walking that way.
Oh my gosh, look how many.
I'm wearing freaking Toms. It's not cool.
Yes, I'm just...
No, Ray,
Oh my god, there's so many over there.
Where?
The trail.
So this is what we're trying to do, is take pictures, but apparently we got sidetracked because of giant ants, apparently. Maybe there's no more.
I mean, there's all over. Look at the floor. Oh my gosh, just keep walking. I'm scared.
No, I heard something go. I just heard something go.
Can we please go back?
Okay. Wait.
No!
Oh my gosh, big ant.
Big behind ants. So. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Running! I'm running! I'm running!
I'm tired.
Okay, I'm done. Bye.
Alright, go.
Apparently, he's shooting. He's shooting the video. This is our day.
How you doing?
There's huge ants.
They're red
Trying
ones.
to do a model-looking thing where she's like this. I'm gonna take a picture.
If Amy was here, Amy, you had to be here.
We miss you, Amy. We
My
miss you.
partner.
Amy.
The full breed.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Well, I look like Pocahontas.
I know, can you try to make your hair go like that more?
I'm gonna go like this. Ready?
Okay, go.
I think I need to put more.
Whoa!
Oh I want my hair back and forth.
Look at it.
Let me get this.
That's called art.
Dude, I like how it just goes.
I know, it's like perfect.
It looks like water.
That is good.
My face
That's
looks good
cool.
too.
Hey, wait,
Like how?
I don't know. Just try to do the one where you turn around again. But try to make it like,
Okay.
okay, ready, set, go.
My next, no. I'm gonna, okay. I'm ready.
1, 2, go.
Because, Rochelle's a poser.
Wait. Okay. I think so far that one, and that one are the best so far.
I look like Pocahontas.
Oh, there are people up in there. They're taking a bath.
Okay, here, do right.
Do the flip again?
Yeah.
My favorite pose that what?
1, 2, go.
These guys have a lot of time in their hand, apparently.
Oh, I like how my hair looks brown. Oh, sorry.
You have to traverse through this thing, and
We already did it once.
yeah, but it was good the first time.
Yeah, because I led the way.
Yeah, okay, you can do that again.
Oh gosh.
Ow!
That was so easy.